guys, it's King Capital, and today I'm going to be going over my trade review for Wednesday, 3rd of July. So going into the day, I was looking for a clear power of 3 movement. As you can see, accumulation, manipulation, then distribution going down to form a market maker buy model to the daily high. That was what I was looking for. I was looking for the overall manipulation to be going down to buy back up. I did actually enter 2 sells and one I did 2 sells and 1 buy, I believe. So I did kind of a long-term play with 1 micro just for the fun of it, aiming down to this low. Just for the fun, I did 1 sell like this, maybe about $100, and then yeah, so that's what I was looking for. So I did end up doing 3 trades, 2 wins and 2 losses. The first trade was more of a swing trade. I didn't make much because I just wanted to do it because I had conviction in this move. I did it all the way down to this low. Now, when we hit this low, we had a bit of a rise up, and I thought this was kind of an accumulation to start going lower. We had an impulse move going down. It was into 930. I predicted 930 would go up. I thought we were going to see SMT at these highs and then sell down a bit further to here to form a market maker buy model to then take out the daily high. So I did enter a sell. I entered a sell right here, and this was my L for the day because instead of distributing lower, we end up going even higher and taking out this high and forming kind of a market structure shift on the 5-minute, or not really, just a continuation on the 5-minute. So I was lost here. I thought I should look for a proper setup. So on the 5-minute, I was looking. We didn't really form anything perfect. I mean, this is the only thing that comes in later the day. So I was looking, and there's no real bearish fair value gap here. There's no real bearish fair value gap, as you can see. Now, here, there's no real bearish fair value gap here because I was looking here and I was like, could we possibly sell those? Only this small one, and I thought it's not very likely. And when it got ran over, that's when I was like, okay, we're probably going to be going higher here. So what I did was I saw this impulse move up and I entered right at the bottom. Good, very good fill. I took partials here, 10 micro contracts. I took 5 contracts out here. I scaled, and I scaled, I think, around when we took this high again. Another 2 contracts, and then another contract here, and the rest at the top here. So this is one of my best trades that I did call on my Discord. If anyone wants to know the Discord, it's in the link in the description. We have a 1-week free trial to get in, but I did call this on my Discord, and every day we are calling trades just like this. So, and it's free, guys. Literally just join for a week. If you don't see any results, you don't have to pay anything. Yeah. But yeah, so that was the review. Now let's understand why this all happened. So the reason why market didn't really need to go into an equilibrium of this range was because it turtle souped. If it turtle soups, it means it doesn't need to necessarily go into the mid-range to reach the next draw on liquidity. So that's exactly what happened. Turtle souped. I mean, here you really don't know what's going to happen. I guess 930 pushed higher, had a bit of accumulation, but 930 wasn't necessarily the Judas swing. I would say it was the 830 news folder. Now, a big lesson to learn is that I should have realized, and I'm only realizing looking back, is that 830, if there was a news driver there, can end up actually being the Judas swing. So usually 930 is the Judas, but if there's news at 830 and it goes in a certain direction, that can actually be the Judas, and then the 930 can be the distribution, for example. So what we have learned today is that to join my Discord to follow the trend as well. This is what I also saw. This 3-minute here. If I had missed this entry, I would have definitely entered in on this 3 minute fair value gap as well. That's exactly what I was looking for. And yeah, that brings me to the end, guys. Thank you for listening. This is my daily recap, and I need to assure you guys something very important that everyone should be doing is tracking their thing. For example, every day I track it for the past for the past month. I started doing this, and it's really helped a lot. Thank you very much. Take care.